This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
Hi, my name is Angie.
And I'm Naveen.
And today we're making, what are we making?
Banana pancakes.
We're making banana pancakes. So for our recipe today, we only need very few items. What do we have in front of us, Naveen?
Bananas.
Bananas. We have a little bit of vanilla extract. We have two
eggs.
2 eggs, yeah. We have this to help smash our bananas while we're doing it in here. I say 1 to 2 bananas. It just depends on the consistency that you guys like. I normally do 1 for 2 or 1.5. So we'll kind of look and see how it goes.
Mommy's more and mine's bigger.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna have Naveen actually peel one of the bananas and we're gonna get it right in the bowl. Ready? Get started.
Okay. But you fry mine first.
It's up to you. I'm gonna move this to the side for now, okay?
I
Good
did
job. Good job.
About to put it
Good.
off
There you go.
and see banana.
Put it right in the bowl.
Be careful. Now that side, be careful.
And it's okay if your banana's a little brown. You want it to be a little bit more brown. That way it's a little bit more sweeter for you guys. And that way you don't need vanilla extract. So, next thing she's gonna do, what are we doing? What are we doing?
We're making bananas.
Go ahead, you can put it in there. I'll move this right there.
Mommy, you make it and when I do all of it.
Yeah, you can do all of it, that's fine. Nice. Nice one.
Almost done, Mommy.
Good job. Put your knife down. So what now we're gonna do, we're gonna grab this little tool and we're gonna smash the bananas like this. Can you help Mommy smash the bananas?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Make sure you put your hand, one hand, oh, yeah, you can do that however you wanna do it. Mommy will hold the plate for you. Look, you want me to do it with you? Okay, hold it. We're gonna smash, 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 smash.
Mommy, can you do a halt?
Yeah, we have to be careful when we do it, okay? Okay, careful.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, good job.
Okay.
Okay, while you're cutting it, I'm gonna start smashing it, okay? Maybe not with this one. I think I like going with the fork and then using the other one to make it really, really nice and smashy. You're doing such a great job cutting that, and you're cutting it really fast. You ready for the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do 1 egg.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And 2 eggs.
And 2 eggs. Whoa. Now you're gonna mix that together, Naveen.
Mommy, hear this.
Yep, go ahead and start mixing that together.
Let me do like this.
Do you want me to help you a little bit? So you're not
No,
making too messy?
no.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract.
Mommy, you put it when I make it.
Okay, we already put a little bit. We don't need a lot. Wow. So we don't want to touch that. Make sure your parents help you guys out with this part. Other than that, we're gonna get started with the pancakes, and then
cool.
Naveen will taste them once they're all done. Okay?
Yeah.
So while we're cooking this, you just want to make sure you put very little amount of olive oil so it just starts cooking. And what you'll notice is it starts making those holes when you make regular pancakes, and you'll be able to flip it. You'll know when it's all the around areas start looking nice and white. You're gonna make sure you leave that on low so it doesn't burn either. Okay, so the pancakes are all done. This is what they look like. You ready to taste them?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a little piece right here. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take some of this one.
Huh?
Mmm. So yummy. You like it?
I want smoothie.
You want a smoothie? Well, maybe we can make a smoothie next time.
I'm really hungry. I want smoothie.
You're really hungry? Well, maybe we can eat all these pancakes because they have a lot of protein since they have our eggs in there. We have our bananas in there. Mmm. Do you think everyone should try it?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Try it.
Yeah, try it. It's delicious. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward again to seeing you virtually next week and at one of our centers as soon as we can. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed. Bye.
Bye.